Hello everyone, my name is Dave. I'm from Kitiwment Studios. I'm a Photoshop and Premiere Pro user. I'm also a movie director. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how to change the color of a dress to any color. Without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, let's duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl G. Secondly, let's select the dress. Make sure you select the dress. Let's select the top one too. Let's right click and go to feather. Let's feather it to 1.5. It's okay. Click on this icon to add layer mask. Now let's click on the adjustment, hue and saturation. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to drag this slide over here, the hue. So the moment you begin to slide, the color of the dress changes. So with this, it is applying to all the layers. So you want it only in the dress, so click on this icon. So let's drag it. I think this color is okay. You can also drag it till you find the color that suits you. Let's look at the hand. It has affected the hand over here. So click on this layer and make sure your black is on, and pick the brush tool. Make sure the opacity is 100, the flow is also 100. And now paint on the hand. Switch it when you go overboard. You can switch it by pressing X. And this is how you get the color of a dress changed. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe for more greater content.